Hello everyone. In this video, I will be teaching how to play Metaverse, our virtual trading game, and I will show you how to play this using our cell phone because some of the players told me that we cannot play the Metaverse, because of only laptop or tablet can be used to play the Metaverse 5 million competition. No, but before that, we will read first the prize pool, no, in this preliminary game. So our Metaverse Crypto Edition will start on February 18, but the already launched that what so called the preliminary game. No, so I will show you how to play this and to be part in the leaderboard. Okay, I will share my screen now. Maybe I will speak Taglish, no, because most of my viewers in my YouTube channel in Team Spartans International, they are requesting to speak in English, no. So I'll try to speak English so that everyone can understand what I am teaching now. So I will share my screen. And before we go to the actual play, so this is the Metaverse Crypto Edition that was that will be launching on February 18. Okay, and this crypto edition have the price pool of 5 million USDT and Corbit tokens, no? So we can be part of this prize pool if we play the game. But first, before you play the game, you need to buy the two packages, no? Namely Pro package and the Elite package, no? So that you can play in this game. And the prize pool is, okay, we will read also here. I'm using cell phone so that everyone can play this game, no? Because as I told you, some of the players told me that they cannot play because we can only play using computer and laptop or tablet. But I discovered that we can play it also in our Android phones. Okay, so this is the price pools, all-time price pool, Crypto Edition Elite Package times 5. So they will be giving 5 Elite package, no, to those winners, and 20 Pro packages. And also, they will be giving a Metaverse Legendary Packs, 85 of it, and Platinum White spots also 85. Then these are the daily price pool. Leaderboard rewards, the leaderboard prices, first place. First place will get one Crypto Edition Pro package. Second place, 25 USDT. Third and sixth places, one golden whitelist spot each. 7 to 10 places, one legendary Metaverse pack each. Then we have also our random daily raffles among participants, 1 golden whitelist spot, 25 USDT, and 10 Metaverse game packs. Then the top 5 Crypto Edition Elite package and the top 6 to 15 Crypto Edition Pro package, they will get that, that package. The top 16 to 35 will get 25 USDT each. So I think I am I am part of that. You will see it in the leaderboard later. Then random all-time raffles also have 10 Crypto Edition Pro packages, 500 USDT, 20 winners, 25 each, 30 Metaverse Legendary packs, 30 Platinum Whitelist, then in the price distribution timelines, the daily rewards will be announced every Tuesday in the new section. Prices are credited within a few days after results are announced. All-time rewards results announced on 20th February in the new section. Prices will be sent shortly after the announcement. USDT prices will be distributed within a few days after the full launch of Crypto Edition. Okay? Before February 18, during the launching, before the launching. Then, winners must submit their MetaMask wallet addresses via support in-game ticket, general weekly prices, automatically credit to user account weekly, additional notes. Daily rewards, leaderboard 10th place is the lowest rank to receive a reward, 1 legendary Metaverse pack. Random raffles, no ranking required. Rewards are distributed randomly to participants. All-time rewards, leaderboard 100 place is the lowest rank to receive a reward, 1 Metaverse Legendary pack plus 1 Platinum Whitelist spot. Random raffles, no ranking required. Rewards are distributed randomly to participants. Summary. Daily rewards rank 10 is the cutoff for guaranteed rewards. All-time rewards, rank 100 is the cutoff for guaranteed rewards. Random raffles offers chances for everyone who participates regardless of rank. Okay, so this prize pool, if you will be part of the top 100, as what this prize pool said here in leaderboard, 100 place is the lowest rank to receive a reward. Okay, so let's dive in now to the actual game. No, okay. First, you need to log into your Crowd1 account. If you don't have a Crowd1 account yet, message me so that you will register first. Then after registering, buy your Metaverse package. Okay, then this is now the dashboard. Okay, this is the Crowd1 dashboard. After opening the Crowd1 dashboard, you need to go to the C Store. Okay, C Store. Click C Store. Then go to Metaverse. Okay, Metaverse, then log in. Okay. After you log in Metaverse, choose your language, no? So I will choose English. Select. Then this is the first Metaverse game. We call that MTX dashboard. In this part, you cannot see the 5 million prize pool competition. So you need to rotate your phone. Okay? Go to rotate. Then after rotating your phone, rotate like this. Okay, rotate. Then you need to click the dollar sign in the left side part. This one, that one. Okay. Then after clicking the dollar sign, you will see this, and you can rotate it again so that you can see everything. Then it says here a total prize pool of up to 5 million. The prize pool will combine USDT and Corbit tokens. Huge cash prize pool, win up to 5 million real cash prizes with USDT and CBIT tokens. Okay, so the preliminary game, no, we will go directly there in the preliminary preliminary game. So scroll down and here we are now. Okay. So as you can see here, this is the leaderboard. And what we read, the top 100 will receive a reward. Okay, until here. So there are many players now playing. Okay, how many? Page 63. So there are many players. So you need to be part in that top 100 leaderboard so that you can get prize. So I started playing this 3 days ago. And what can I say is very enjoyable, but very stress because you need to have more time to play this game, and also you have to have your strategy. So I'm here now in the number 16, AD 1973, and I'm still playing this. Started this morning. So here, you only need to choose where do you want to trade. Let's say trade because we are a trading game. So you need to choose either Lion, Mona, or Porkfee. So in Lion, the volatility is low. In Mona, volatility is medium, and in Porkfee, volatility is high. But you never know what will the no how can we win in this tree. So we need to guess what I'm doing now, no? So first we need to finish this race, no? Because there is a timer, 43 seconds more, so that you can choose another game. Okay, in my other cell phone, I choose the Porkfee. Porkfee or Porkfie? and this is the volatility of this pork fee is very high. But sometimes this high volatility wins every time, no? But look, so I won. And I forgot, no. If you have already a package, either elite or a pro package, if you win in this three, you will get 25 win points. Win points, we call that WT, win points. But if you lose, okay, I will choose again profit. But if you lose, they will give you 5 win points. So we need to choose wisely so that every time we win, either in this three company, I call that three company, no? Then we can get 25 points, and it will help us rank faster in this leaderboard. Okay, so I'm trying to climb in the top 15, but we have still the difference of more than 600 win points, so that I can climb to top 15. But it's not easy to climb, especially in the top 10, because you never know who who what company will win, no? As you see now, I put my bet in Fork 5, but I think I'm losing. I'm losing now. So after this round, I need to choose again in other company, no? But let's see, because it's not finished yet. I think I have the chance to win. Look, we have still 22 seconds. Okay. My total points right now is 1,610. If I won, then it will be added 25. We'll see. Okay, I won. Look at my total points. Before 1,610, now 1,625. So it added 25. So now I'll try to choose Mona, because sometimes Mona win, sometimes Lion win also. So we never know. Just choose wisely. Okay, guys, that's I think that's all now for our short tutorial video in order for us to learn this game, preliminary game, but the actual game will start on February 18. So while we are waiting for the full launch of the crypto edition, we can play here. Even even the seniors can play this game. It's very easy because you only choose one of these three company, no? Okay, let's finish first this. We'll see if this time Mona will win. Okay. I think there's a chance for the Mona to win again, to win this round. Look. I think I choose again the right one. I hope it will win. Last 30 seconds. I'm winning now. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh, Fork Fever won again. Sorry. Okay. That's all, folks. I hope that you followed well my short tutorial video, and see you in the top. I'm now in number 16. Okay, let's play the game. Bye for now. Until next tutorial video. If there's new gameplay, I think I will teach again. But sorry, I'm trying hard to speak English because because they are requesting in my YouTube channel to speaking English. So I hope that you understand with my English, even though it's not that well, but I'm trying my best to speak English. Also, maybe in another tutorial video, I'll try also to speak also Taglish, Tagalog or English. But I think mostly in English because most of the time the announcements and announcement from the company are all written in English. So mostly in English. Okay, see you again next tutorial video. God bless.